I'm Andy Lubon. I'm the National Field Service Manager at Alliance Laundry Systems. We've got service leaders from around the country. We're gonna take a look at some of the Speed Queen product versus another competitor.
So this is what helps keep you from banging the drum. A rubber band.
There you go, a rubber band.
A rubber band. See that? That's pretty. So yeah, it actually slides through here.
Have you done this before?
Absolutely. And then it's supposed to help prevent a little bit of the swing when the machine is just swinging back and forth.
The difference would be here.
With the Speed Queen unit,
This is a Speed Queen drum machine, and you have 6 of them all the way around.
these are a lot, like you said before, a
Much
little more tension
sturdier,
on them.
and it's going to hold the out of balance.
Wait. A poll for you guys. Does anybody know what this is called? Remember what state you're in right now.
Weldman.
The technical, the right proper is Weldman, but you're in Wisconsin, so they call this the milk stool. This would sit like this, and obviously the outer tub would mount to that.
And this is how it would work. As it's moving, as you see, the base don't move. The snubber ring, the friction ring, allows it to slide each direction, but the springs hold it tight so it don't get to too much aggressive bouncing like you would get on a floating basket.
So why is that important?
For one, your machine's not walking everywhere. And if it's out of balance, you're gonna get a lot more movement with something that's in midair floating as opposed to something that's solid, that's got something that's allowing it to slide.
6 springs with that kind of tension versus 4 springs suspended with very little. Yeah, look at that.
And that's by hand. Now, can you imagine with 15 gallons of water?
Right. Or an unbalanced load, or
Closet load and
exactly.
Of course, what happens with rubber, we all know what happens with rubber. 3 or 4 years in, you get a little bit of dry rot. The rubber starts to harden, and then it breaks in half. And
He's part of a board game, or what is this?
You put it together first.
pretty much that's what they sit on. And the hooks around and hooks to that, and that's its snubber pads or its friction ring.
Friction ring or whatever.
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
Hold on to this one. We're gonna
How many technicians does it take to do
Maytag.
Maytag? There you go.
There you go.
So if you go like this, and it snap, you have to get this snapped in on there.
Oops.
See, and that's see how fun that is.
16
So anyway,
cents of
yeah.
plastic is all
Yeah.
that holds your tub.
So this holds your tub up.
Retail.
Okay, here we go. So when you get a really heavy load, can you imagine what it does to this plastic right here?
Right.
It'll be bouncing.
All the weight
always
is on
moving
these.
like
Is
that.
weighted on
Moving.
these.
One of these breaks that you see the
Interesting.
thumb.
Yeah, that's it. That's how they hang.
The service calls is
Yeah,
what
you're
costs
doing
you
a lot
money.
of service calls on
This is
unit.
bouncing in the air. There's no way it could level itself. There's no way you could extract enough water out of it. So then you end up with a wet load, not a humid load. The dryer can't handle the clothes because they're too wet.
You're spinning
and now you're
belts,
getting
right.
now you're getting a service call, and then you get, oh, the machine didn't work. Oh, the machine, it's got nothing. It's just poor design.
Everybody's favorite
Everybody's
service call.
favorite
It didn't
call.
work. Right, exactly.
And then, yeah, what happened? It didn't wash right. You got a plastic transmission, it hangs in the air. There's no substance to it. Nothing you can hang your hat on.